Hey guys! Today I'm sharing a magic hair growth oil that can genuinely transform your hair, make it thicker, stronger, and help it grow up to 10 times faster naturally. And the best part, we're using simple ingredients that are already in your kitchen. So let's start. Ingredients you'll need: a curry leaves, onion, aloe vera, fenugreek seeds, black seed kalonji, hibiscus, coconut oil. All of these ingredients are extremely powerful for hair growth and repairing damaged hair from the roots. How to make the oil. Take a pan and add coconut oil first. Then, add curry leaves, sliced onion, aloe vera gel or pieces, fenugreek seeds, kalonji, and hibiscus petals. Put the flame on low heat and let everything slowly boil until the oil turns golden brown. This step is important because it helps all the nutrients infuse into the oil without burning anything. Let the oil cool down completely, strain it, and transfer it into a clean bottle. Apply this oil on your scalp and hair length once or twice a week. Massage for at least 5 minutes to activate blood circulation. Leave it overnight for best results and wash it off the next morning. Within a few weeks you'll notice less hair fall, thicker hair strands, stronger roots, and visible growth from the scalp. So try this magic oil consistently, and you're definitely going to see a huge difference.